Right folks, in part one I showed you how to make this particular flower. Now I've just put a little clip on the back and I was starting these, which I've got to finish off, but my camera ran out. It would, wouldn't it? Do you know what I mean? So what I'm thinking about is I've got 2 buds that I put in, which was, you know, the single flower. Sorry, 3. So I've put 3 of those on as well. And they're the ones I'm going to... Where's my scissors gone? My granddaughter's just been and nicked me scissors. Oh God, I need other scissors. 2, 3. Unfortunately, as it happens, I ran out of film. So fold that in half, corner to corner. Fold that in half, fold that back, and fold that one back. And then I'm going to have to definitely find me other scissors. Can't do those. They're used for paper. So let me just see if I got these. No, they're not. They're not the ones. Sorry, I've got to get my scissors, which she keeps bloody nicking. Right. There we go. I have them. Now, I haven't done the draw just yet. I'm going to do it later on for the 2 giveaways. So, I haven't forgotten. I will be doing it. Anyway, so now I've got it like a cone. And I'm just going to cut from the centre halfway down. Turn that over. And do the same thing again. Now, they might not come out perfect. Doesn't matter at all. Don't worry. I know folk tend to worry. Look. And then what we're going to do is just seal them off. And this is double satin. Now, I need to... Oh, sorry. No, I don't. I've already put these together. So I need to do that. Cut it to the middle, and then we pop that on the inside, glue that section down, and then we wrap that section over it like that. See? And that's held on that, and it's as simple as that. So again, fold in half, corner to corner. Little buds. And if you don't want to have that sticking out, just fold it in with a crease like that. In fact, that's what I would do, definitely. Just give it a little bit of a crease. So let's do it with the others. Yeah, we're going to go get I think a glue gun tomorrow. It's shut at the moment where I get them from, my warehouse. Just give them a little pinch like that and they look more natural. Right. And then all I've done, I'm going to undo them because I get tangled up. Right. See how they're like that? I'm going to add a leaf to this, but I'm also going to put a little tiny leaf coverage on, and I've just got enough, I have to say. I might need to cover the backs again. So I'm going to fold that in half, cut it about 2 inches. Just cut from side to side. Like that. Make the sheet leaf shape-ish sort of thing. There we go. That's not quite leafy, is it? Let's do that again. Better. Then what I'm going to do is to snip like that. And do the same with this one. Separate those. See, like that. And then I'm going to fold that in half. Take my tweezers really quickly. Just crease that. See, just a little crease in it. Now, you see, we've got the clip on. That's going to be difficult. Well, not really. Open the clip and pop that on there. Like that. Again, let's fold that over. Let me pop that in there first, actually, I'll do. Just to give it a bit of a crease. Open the clip. And we're going to have that there. And that's gorgeous. But we do need to do these sections. Let me make sure 1, 2, 3, that's done. I only need a little wraparound. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just see. That's big enough, I think. And that's basically how you do it. I used a large needle, sewing needle, and popped some cord on, this cord, and just went down the little cup we'd made, glued the end knots, pulled it in, and then stuck those in. And that's how we did that. And then we just got all of them together and glued them underneath the flower. And that's what you end up with. I really do enjoy. I've got others that my granddaughters, Billy May, once modelled, which I think I've found the pictures. And I think I showed you the other day some of the sprays with the beaded things on. I love it. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Please try it. Bye bye for now.